Question 5, Part A. Katrine is exercising her dog by throwing a stick for the dog to fetch and return. The first time, Katrine throws the stick 2 meters and she continues to throw the stick after the dog has returned it. Each time, she increases the distance the stick is thrown by exactly 1.5 meters. Her last throw is 32 meters. Part 1. How many times did Katrine throw the stick? This is a practical application of an arithmetic progression. In this case, the first term is equal to 2, and that corresponds to Katrine's initial throw of a distance of 2 meters. Now she continues to throw the stick after the dog has returned, and each time she increases the distance by exactly 1.5 meters. And that corresponds to a common difference of 1.5. Now the question is asking for how many times did Katrine throw the stick. And to do that, we need to apply the general term of an arithmetic progression formula, which is Tn, or the nth term, is equal to a plus n minus 1 in brackets times d, where a represents the value of the first term, d represents the value of the common difference, and n is the position of the particular term that we're looking for. So we're looking for the position of the term that corresponds to 32 meters. And that corresponds to the number of times that Katrine has thrown the stick. So letting a equal 2, d equal 1.5, and Tn equal 32, and substituting these values into this formula, we get 32 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 in brackets times 1.5. Now we want to solve for n. So subtracting 2 from both sides of this equation, we get 30 equals n minus 1 in brackets times 1.5. Dividing both sides of this equation by 1.5, we get 20 is equal to n minus 1. And then finally adding 1 to both sides of this equation, we get n is equal to 21. Therefore, Katrine threw the stick 21 times. Part 2. How far did her dog run altogether in fetching and returning the stick? Assume that the dog starts and finishes at Katrine's side. It may help to model the distance that the dog runs after each throw. Now, after the first throw, the dog runs 2 meters to fetch the stick and then back 2 meters to Katrine's side, which gives us a distance of 4 meters covered. After the second throw, the dog runs 3.5 meters to fetch the stick and then back 3 meters to Katrine's side to give us a distance of 7 meters. After the third throw, the dog runs 5 meters to fetch the stick and then back 5 meters to Katrine's side to give us a distance of 10 meters. Now, this may be modeled by the arithmetic series 4 plus 7 plus 10 and so on, where the first term a is equal to 4, the common difference d is equal to 3, and n is equal to 21, because we want the total distance that the dog covers after 21 throws. Now, to get the total distance, we need to apply the formula Sn, or the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression, is equal to n over 2 outside of 2a plus n minus 1 in brackets times d. Substituting 21 for n, 4 for a, 21 for n here, and 3 for d here, we get S21 is equal to 21 over 2 outside of 2 times 4 plus 21 minus 1 in brackets times 3, which evaluates to 714. Therefore, the dog ran a total distance of 714 meters.